Conversation between two students on doing an assignment. Student 1, hey, have you started working on the assignment we got from Mr. Johnson?
Student 2, oh, hey, yeah, I've started, but I'm still a bit stuck on how to approach it. Have you made any progress?
Student 1, yeah, I've done some research and gathered some information. It's a group project, right? Maybe we can work on it together.
Student 2, that sounds like a good idea. I'm just not sure where to begin. What did you find during your research?
Student 1, I looked up some articles and websites related to the topic. I've organized the information into different sections that we can include in our assignment. I think it's essential to have a clear structure to make the writing process easier.
Student 2, that's smart. I've been struggling with finding reliable sources. Could you share some of the links you found?
Student 1, sure. I'll send them to you right now. Check your email.
Student 2, thanks a lot. This will be a huge help. I appreciate it.
Student 1, no problem. We're a team, right? If you have any other questions or need more sources, feel free to ask.
Student 2, definitely. Teamwork is the key to success. So, what sections did you come up with for the assignment?
Student 1, I divided it into an introduction, background information, main arguments, counter-arguments, and a conclusion. I thought we could each take on 1 or 2 sections and then combine our work.
Student 2, that sounds like a plan. I could take the background information and maybe the counter-arguments. I'll start looking into that right away.
Student 1, perfect. I'll handle the main arguments and the conclusion. If you find anything interesting during your research, share it with me, and we can discuss how to include it.
Student 2, will do. It feels much better having someone to work with on this. I was getting a bit overwhelmed.
Student 1, don't worry, we've got this. Let's set a deadline for ourselves to have our sections done by the day after tomorrow. That way, we'll have time to review and edit the whole thing before submitting.
Student 2, agreed. That gives us a few days to work on it without rushing. Thanks for being so organized and proactive about it.
Student 1, of course. I believe in planning ahead for smoother assignments. We'll make a great team on this project.
Student 2, I think so too. All right, I'll start researching right now. Let's do our best to make this assignment stand out.
Student 1, absolutely. I'll do some more research on my end too. If you have any questions or need help, just message me.
Student 2, thanks. You're awesome. Let's get this assignment done and ace it together.
Student 1, definitely. Let's get to work. Good luck.
Student 2, good luck to you too. Catch you later.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel English Grammar 4U.